In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Stape.io. Whether you're branching out with your online presence or just refining your setup, connecting a custom domain to your Stape.io account can be a major upgrade. Let's walk through this process together to ensure it's both simple and smooth. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into your Stape.io account. Once inside, direct your attention to the container, specifically the SGTM container, where you'd like to add the custom domain. It's important to make sure you're in the right container because this is where all your subsequent changes will be applied. As you scroll down the container page, keep an eye out for the Domains section, where you'll find the Custom Domains and Tagging Server URL section. This area is crucial as it lays the groundwork for everything we're about to do. Once you're there, you'll see the option to Add Custom Domain. Go ahead and click on that. Next, enter the custom domain you want to use. This can either be a subdomain or the same origin, such as gtm.yoursite.com, or perhaps something like sst.yoursite.com. Choosing the correct domain is vital, as it dictates how users will access your resources. As you proceed, you'll need to decide on a Content Delivery Network, or CDN. This decision involves selecting whether you'd like to use Stape's global CDN, your own CDN, or perhaps decide not to use a CDN at all. Each choice has implications on how your content is delivered across the globe, affecting both speed and reliability. Stape's global CDN is generally a solid option if you want a hassle-free setup. Now comes the crucial part: choosing how to connect your domain. Here you have two paths. If you're lucky enough that your DNS provider supports automatic integration with Entry, you can choose this for a seamless experience. But if that's not the case, you'll need to do it manually by adding the DNS records as instructed by Stape. If you are setting things up manually, Stape will provide you with the necessary DNS records. Depending on your settings, this could be CNAME or AAA records. If you opted for a CDN, you might have multiple DNS records to input, while if no CDN is used, it might just be a single CNAME. When adding these records, make sure to pay attention to settings like the proxy status. For certain configurations, especially when CDN is involved, records should not be set to proxied or cached in order to avoid service disruptions. Once you've added the necessary DNS records, head back to Stape and look for the Verify button. Click this to see if the domain has been correctly set up. DNS propagation can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple of hours, sometimes up to 72 hours. Patience is key here. And there you have it, a smoothly integrated custom domain ready to elevate your site's functionality and reach. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.